Good day everyone, I'm Teacher Justin and welcome to another Math with Teacher Justin. On today's topic, we're going to talk about geometric series and finding the nth term of a finite geometric series. Alright. What is a geometric series? A geometric series is the indicated sum of the terms of a geometric sequence. Okay, so to find the sum of the first n terms of a geometric series, we will use the formula a sub 1 times the quantity 1 minus r raised to n all over 1 minus r. So where a sub 1 is the first term of the series and n is the number of terms to be added and r is our common ratio. And to get the common ratio, we will use the formula a sub 2 divided by a sub 1. Okay, let's have our first example for today. Okay, so find the sum of the first 6 geometric sequence of 2, 6, 18, 54, and so on and so forth until we reach the 6th term. So we're going to add them. So let's identify our given. So our first term is 2. The number of terms that we will add is the first 6 terms, so n is equal to 6. Our common ratio is the second term divided by our first term. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. So our common ratio is r. And we will use the formula. So we will use the formula s sub n is equal to a sub 1 times the quantity 1 minus r raised to n all over 1 minus r. So let's substitute our given. So a sub 6 is equal to our first term, which is 2, times the quantity 1 minus 3 raised to 6 all over 1 minus 3. Okay, then let's simplify using the order of operation. So let's get the value of 3 raised to 6. So it will be 729. Then 1 minus 3, that will be equal to negative 2. So let's simplify the 1 inside the parenthesis. 1 minus 729, that will be negative 728. Okay, so let's divide. So negative divided by negative, that will be positive. And 2 divided by 2 will be equal to 1. And 1 times 728, that will give us the sum, which is 728. So the sum of our first 6 terms of this geometric sequence will be 728. Alright. Okay, let's have our second example for today. So find the sum of the first 8 terms of the geometric sequence 3, 15, 75, 375, and so on and so forth until we reach the 8th term. Okay, so we're going to identify our given. So our first term is 3. Our number of terms to be added is the first 8 terms. So it will be n is equal to 8. And our common ratio is our second term, 15 divided by 3, our first term. So 15 divided by 3 is 5. So r is equal to 5. And we will use the formula s sub n is equal to a sub 1 times the quantity 1 minus r raised to n all over 1 minus r. Okay, so let's substitute our given. So we have s sub 8 is equal to our first term, which is 3, times the quantity 1 minus 5 raised to 8 all over 1 minus 5. Okay, so let's simplify using the order of operation. Let's start with getting the value of 5 raised to 8. That will give us 390,625 all over 1 minus 5. That will give us negative 4. Okay, let's combine the 1 inside the parenthesis. So 3 times negative 390,624 all over negative 4. So let's simplify. So we can divide negative 390,624 and negative 4. So negative 4 will become 1 and the numerator will become 97,656. Then let's multiply 3 and 97,656 and their product will be 292,968. So the sum of the first 8 terms of this geometric sequence will be 292,968. Alright. So now that you already know how to find the sum of the first n term of a geometric sequence, it is your turn to try this item. So find the sum of the first 6 terms of the geometric sequence 5, 15, 45, 135, and so on and so forth. So if you need more time to answer this problem, pause the video, and if you have your final answer, please type it in our comment section below.
And that's it for today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, questions, recommendations, suggestions, please leave them in our comment section below. Share this video and subscribe. And for more videos like this, go to my channel, Teacher Justin. That's it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Peace.